Good morning, students. So, reduction formulae. So, let us have revision on some things in related to that reduction formulae. Those who have not understand through online class, so through YouTube. So, I will send some videos. Okay. So, find the reduction formula for integration of tan raised to nx with respect to x, and hence evaluate tan raised to 4x and tan raised to 5x with respect to x. Okay, tan and cot are same. So first you have to consider this nth term tan raised to nx with respect to x as in. So this is the nth term, so you have to consider it as in. So in the first step, in both cot and tan, so you have to split up this as n minus 2 and 2. Okay, here the base is same. So here tan and tan bases are same. So if you add the powers, plus 2 and minus 2 get cancelled. So again we will have that same form, that is tan raised to nx with respect to x. Okay, so tan raised to n minus 2x and tan square x with respect to x. So according to trigonometric identity, 1 plus of tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus of 1. Okay, so replace this tan square x by substituting the trigonometric identity as tan sec square x minus of 1. Okay, so in the next step, in is equals to integration of tan raised to n minus 2x. So multiply this bracket, that is tan raised to n minus 2x into sec square x with respect to x. This minus sign as it is, tan raised to n minus 2 into 1 with respect to x. So that is integration of tan raised to n minus 2x with respect to x. So in this step, just we are splitting the term. Okay, splitting this bracket as two terms. Okay, so in further step, so this tan raised to n minus 2x, so I am replacing this value as it is same, that it becomes in minus 2, because in means tan raised to nx, n minus 2 means, so it becomes in minus 2. So this term as it is, but in here, so we have to apply the integration formulae. So that is integration formula is integration of f of x to the power of n into f dash of x with respect to x is equals to f of x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 here. So we have to apply this formula only when, so its derivative should be there, that is tan x differentiation is sec square x. Okay, so then only we can apply this formula. Tan x differentiation is x square x, so here it becomes f of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. N plus 1 means n minus 2 is there, n minus 2 plus 1 means, so it becomes n minus 1 divided by n minus 1. So according to this formula. Okay, so this is the required reduction formula for integration of tan raised to nx with respect to x, and the remaining things tan raised to 4x and tan raised to 5x. So already we have discussed through online class, just by substituting n equals to 4. So in this equation, so we'll get I2 value. So I2 value, again, in order to find this I2 value, again we have to put n equals to 2. So in the equation 1, so we'll get I0. I0 means, so here we are considering that integration of tan raised to nx as in. So here in place of n you have to put 0. So anything raised to 0, so it becomes 1. That is integration of 1 with respect to x is x. So it is a tan x minus of x. Okay, so similarly, so we have to put n equals to 5, so we'll get I3. So then I3 means, in equation 1, 3 minus, sorry, 5 minus 2, so it becomes I3. So in order to find this I3 value, 3 minus 2, so it becomes I1. Integration of tan x is log of sec x with respect to x. Clearly we have discussed in online class. Okay, so find the reduction formula for integration of cot raised to nx with respect to x, and hence evaluate cot raised to 4x and cot raised to 5x with respect to x. So as similar to tan raised to nx, so we have to consider this as in. So cot raised to nx with respect to x, according to that, split up it as n minus 2 and 2, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. So again we will that n only. So apply the trigonometric identity, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Cot square theta means cosec square theta minus 1, that is cosec square x minus 1. Okay, in the next step we have to split up this bracket, that is cot raised to n minus 2x into cosec square x, this minus n as it is, cot raised to n minus 2x into 1 with respect to x. Okay, so this cot raised to n minus 2x with respect to x, so replace that value as it is. This we can write as it is, or in minus 2. So both are same. So but here we have to apply the trigonometric formula, that is cot raised to n minus 2x into cosec square x with respect to x. So cot x derivative, so we have to apply this formula only when, so its derivative should be there. Cot x derivative is minus cosec square x, minus sign is not there. So in order to apply that minus sign, so we have to balance that minus sign by putting outside the integration minus sign and inside the integration. So minus minus, again it will becomes plus only. There is no change in these two integration. So cot x differentiation is minus cosec square x with respect to x. Then only we can apply this formula, that is f of x to the power of n into f dash of x with respect to x is equals to f of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, so in order to apply this formula, so f of x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 means cot raised to n minus 2x is there, n minus 2 plus 1, so it becomes n minus 1. So that is minus of cot raised to n minus 1 x divided by n minus 1. So the minus of this in minus 2, that is cot raised to n minus 2x. So that same value. So this is the required reduction formula for cot raised to nx with respect to x. Call it as equation number 1. So in order to evaluate this cot raised to 4x and 5x, clearly we have discussed it in through online class. So according to that, if you put, in order to find the 4 value, so substitute 4, so you will get 4 minus 2, so it becomes that is 2, and next if you put n equals to 2, so it becomes 2 minus 2, it is 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1, so integration of 1 with respect to x is x. Okay, so substitute this value, so in this equation, so we will get the required cot raised to 4x. Similarly, in order to calculate, that is cot raised to 5x with respect to x, put n equals to 5 in equation 1, so 5 minus 2, so it becomes 3. In order to find this 3 value, so put 3 minus 2, so it becomes 1. So integration of cot x with respect to x, so its formula is log of sec x. So substitute this cos 3x, so in the above equation, so you'll get the n equals to 5. So that is integration of cot raised to 5 with respect to x. Okay.